Hey, it's Bob Nagin, and in this episode of Real Retail TV, we're going to explore your number one competitive advantage. This is such important information. So what is your number one competitive advantage? What gives you the ability to stand out, to not only compete, but to beat Amazon, the online brands, the big box stores? And it's this. It's your ability to give your customers an amazing experience. So I'm going to explore that in just a moment, but the first thing I want to share is that the first part of the customer experience is having a team that knows how to give a great experience. You see, you can create the best looking store ever. You can bring in all the hottest brands. You can do all of those things. But if you don't have a great team out there skillfully engaging your customers, the experience is always going to be subpar. So where does the experience start? Where does that culture start? It starts with education. We talked about it in last week's Real Retail TV. The idea of you have to train your people. You have to educate them on the fundamentals, the things they need to know to give your customers the service they deserve to make your business stand out from the competition. So that's why we're so excited about a new program February 27th through March 1st, and it's called Dream Team University. It's a 3-day event, 12 to 5 on Monday and Tuesday, 12 to 3 on Wednesday. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through, it's a hands-on workshop on how to create an absolutely tremendous training program. Again, that's the fundamentals. It's only $199. Of course, there's a money-back guarantee. And of course, you have access to the recordings if you can't make it live. But if you are truly serious about giving your customers the best experience you possibly can, if you're serious about building a culture where people stay longer, attract their friends to come work for you, it starts with having a great training program. And that is the what to do at Dream Team University. You're going to learn how to do it. So there's a link below. I strongly encourage you to sign up. $199, it won't break you, but what you're going to do in Dream Team University, it might make you. So let's go back to this idea of the customer experience. So when I'm on the road, one of the things that I love to do is to shop independent retailers. And I'll go into a town and I'll walk in the stores. I shop. I window shop. Or if somebody engages me, I buy. But here's what I always do when I'm in a town. In my head, there's this little thing called an engagement-o-meter. And in the old cartoons, you'll see and if a town really nails it, there will be great engagement. But here's what I find. In most of the downtowns, in most of the shopping districts, in most of the shopping centers I visit, the vast majority of the independent retailers in that area, the vast majority of the independent retailers I visit just have subpar experiences. And it absolutely drives me crazy. Think about your own experience. Have you ever gone into a store and you walk in and you go, man, this store looks awesome. The merchandise is beautiful. Clearly, they've spent a ton of money on branding, on signage, on fixtures. It looks great. and then you don't even get helped. Or maybe there's what we call the Roomba. Our friend Lewis calls it the Roomba experience. You know, a Roomba is one of those vacuums that gets out of its dock, vacuums the floor, and goes back into the dock. He calls them Roomba employees. A customer comes in, they come out from behind the counter, go up to the customer, say, "Can I help you?" The customer says, "No, thank you, I'm just looking," and they retreat and dock themselves in the safety of behind the counter. Have you ever had that happen to you? And here's what I know is that when it's often not because the team members are indifferent. It's often not because they don't want to do a good job. They just haven't been educated. They haven't been trained. So if you're serious about really creating a great culture, if you're serious about, again, giving your customers the service they deserve, I want to encourage you to recognize that it starts with training. You can do it yourself, you can figure it out, or you can come to Dream Team University and we'll show you exactly how to create a great training program. Up to you. But I really want you to think about that idea. The idea is, am I giving my team members what they need to go out on the floor and be successful? If the answer is no, you know the work you have to do. If the answer is yes, good for you. All right, everybody, I'm Bob Nagin. I hope that sparked some conversation in your head. You might want to bring this to your team. Again, Dream Team University, February 27 to March 1. It's 3 days, only $199, money back guarantee. Hope to see you there. If not, we'll see you next week.